DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's up? It's your boy Delz with a brand new detailed look at the Star Wars Darth Vader chase. We're going to take him out of the box. We're going to do the glow-in-the-dark test. All that good stuff. If you're new here, you love seeing the Funkos out of the box, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Plus the notification button. Sometimes I'll buy so many pops and I'll upload 2-3 videos all at once. So you want to make sure you turn your notifications on. This way you don't miss out on all of the reviews. Now with that said, bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look. And let's get Vader freed out of this box. Alright, so here we go with Darth Vader out of the box with his candy cane. I love it. I think it's fun. I think it's just right. You know, you got the candy cane instead of the lightsaber, bobblehead. You got the Star Wars Funko Pops. They all have the bobblehead. I think that's really just to separate from the action figures. And I will link it in the description box below. You have a 1 in 6 chance of getting the chase, which glows in the dark. And the link will be to all of the Christmas Funko Pops, including Mr. Yoda. If you want to see a detailed review when I get a chance, I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Plus, don't sleep on the Biggie Smalls Funko Pop, because once it's vaulted, you're going to be upset you passed on it. That will be linked in the description box below too. There's also the Groot Marvel Christmas Edition. Highly recommend getting him and all the other Marvel holiday pops. That will also be linked in the description box below. And back to Darth Vader. There's a side profile view. There's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. I like how the glove is glossy. You know, you have a combination of black matte finish and glossy. So it gives it nice pop throughout the pop. Definitely a must-have for Star Wars fans. Now let's do that glow-in-the-dark test. Alright, let's do the glow-in-the-dark test. There we go. Candy cane glows in the dark. I like that idea. Like I was saying, kind of reminds me of like Christmas lights. I dig it. There you go with a close-up HD look at Vader. Let's take a look at the back of the box real quick. Because I just realized I didn't show you the back. They all look amazing. I want them all. And I definitely highly recommend them all. So much fun every year. I take all my Christmas Funko Pops and I display them downstairs right by where I usually have my stockings, you know, for my kids and everyone. And it just looks great seeing all the holiday Funko Pops. And I have more to add to the collection during December. And I can't wait to display them all. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Look in the description box below. Once again, I'm going to put tons of links to a lot of different Funko Pops that I highly recommend you pre-ordering or ordering right now. You've got the Fortnite ones. You got all the holiday ones. You have the Power Ranger ones. There's so many. I can't even think of them, but I'll keep updating the list. So just keep on looking in the description box. Guaranteed mint condition. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment. If you didn't leave a comment yet, leave something. Helps the channel too, by the way. YouTube gathers all that information and will recommend my video to more people. So if you have nothing to say, just write "I love Star Wars." And much love out there. Everyone have a great day.